center of circle and chord. I draw here this circle. This is the center of circle P. This is the chord AB, and here the perpendicular segment drawn from P on segment AB, that is chord AB. I denote here the point D. Then we know, we studied in 8th class, that is the perpendicular segment drawn from center on chord bisect the chord. Clearly, I write here the perpendicular segment drawn from center, that is PD. That is PD. On chord, on AB, bisect the chord, means this point D bisect the chord AB, means dividing equal to parts, that is AD equal to BD. But when PD is perpendicular to AB, when PD is perpendicular to AB. Now this here tangent of circle. I draw here 3 figures and denote them by 1 number, 2 number and 3 number. Then in this first figure, the line here and circle with center A, there is no any common point. Means this line does not touch or intersect this circle. In second figure, the line M touches the circle with center B at point P, but in single point. This second figure is called the tangent. This is called tangent. And the third figure, look at here, this line intersect this circle in how many points? These 2 points, Q and R. Then it is not tangent, but it is secant. But it is called secant. It is called secant. Now, it is clear. This is the tangent. What is meant by tangent? Tangent is a line which touches the circle in a single point. Or in another word, we say the circle and the line have only one common point. That is the single point in their intersection. It is called tangent. Tangent means the line intersect the circle in only one point. It is clear? And secant, the line secant means the line touches the circle or intersect the circle in 2 points. It is called secant.